My name is Yansika and today we are going to make Diwali cards. So let's begin. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. We would need one full sheet of blue paper, 1/2 sheet of yellow paper and 2 strips of yellow and red paper. So first we'll fold the blue paper and draw and cut a semicircle. Now we'll stick the yellow sheet of paper. Now we'll make deepaks. Like this, we'll stick all the deepaks. Card is ready. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye guys.